In this video, I bring you the potential of the world of shorts, right? The world of short views, short videos on YouTube. And this channel here is an example of that. Just in the last 30 days, 28 days here, 253 million views. In the last 48 hours, 15 million views with an estimated revenue in reais of 318,000 with a very low CPM, bringing in about $60,000 because of the huge number of views. Using artificial intelligence here, I'm going to show you now how you can replicate this niche here on YouTube, okay? If you set it to 7 days here, there were 67 million views in the last 7 days. In the last 90 days, more than 260 million views. To confirm this data from the YouTube Studio Simulator, which I always use here in my videos, I also checked on Social Blade. Look, 253 million views, an estimated revenue if it's 25 cents per thousand monetized views, $63,000 is the amount we just showed there, okay? A completely viral video using these characters from the world of football, right? The famous Cristiano Ronaldo, for example, in various situations. How can we replicate this here? Today, you're going to see the exact step-by-step process of how to do this. So let's go straight to my screen here, right? We're already on my screen. So let's start the step-by-step. I just want to ask you, if you're new to the channel, to subscribe so we can keep bringing you more content from this world of dark channels. I always leave in the bio, in the description, the link to the Likeepoints platform where you'll find automations to make creating content on YouTube easier. There are also my courses there about YouTube and dark channels, all right? Alright, let's get to it. No more stalling. Here I have these Cristiano Ronaldo videos. He's already tried some other things, as you can see, but what really got the most views were these Cristiano Ronaldo videos here. We're going to replicate exactly those, okay? I'm even going to open a browser I haven't used yet. The first thing I'm going to do is create an account on the Meta AI website. The Meta AI website allows you to create images for free. Here, we're going to create a free account on Meta AI. After that, you'll come here and type image. Then it will open up like this for you with 4 random images. What's this for? So you can get into the world of image creation. Specifically here on the site, with the account created, I'm going to move my camera down here. Look, and I'll click on Tools, Settings. Now I'm going to the Downloads folder and I'll change the download folder to a folder called Cristiano Ronaldo that I created inside my download folder. Why? So that the images will be downloaded into this folder, right? With that understood, I'll also go now to Tools, Extensions, Manage Extensions, and I'll choose Load Unpacked. Here I'm going to select my extension, which is right here. Look, I'll download it so you can see where this extension is. We have this extension here on Likeepoints. Here on Likeepoints, this extension isn't required to use this strategy. It's just an automation to make content creation easier, right? If you don't have access to Likeepoints or don't want to purchase access to Likeepoints, you can do this manually, creating the images one by one, okay? I work here with time saving in mind, so that's why I'm going to use it. I'm going to click here on Like Tools, Tools, right? Now I'll come here to this tool, Meta AI. I'll click here on View and I'll download it using this button here. Look, it will download here. Look, click on Download. I'll click here on Show and it will appear like this. See? This extension here, I'm going to put it here in my local disk C. GC tools, which are my tools. I'll put it here in a folder called Meta _ AI. Here I'm going to drop the extension. Here I'll press Control, right click, right? Extract here. I press Control V to paste. Then I end up with 2 files. I'm going to open this file here and copy this link. Copied. I'm going to come here to the extension, choose Load Unpacked, and paste the URL link that I bought that I copied. I'll click on Select. Here is our extension. I'm going to pin it here. Look, pin. There you go. Here's the extension. I'm going to enter my activation key. It's right here. Just click on copy and paste the activation key here. Press Ctrl V, then click this little white button, validate licenses. Here is the activation key. And here is the explanation of how to use the tool. Here in Meta AI, let's type like this, photo. So it generates a photo. There, it generated photos for us just to show that we're in the photo section here. Click on one of them and these options will appear. This is what you need. Let's set it here to 916. And now we can already create the images, but to create the images, we need to find out the prompts. To find out the prompts, we're going to copy, for example, the video of theirs with the most views. I'm going to press Ctrl, right click, right, copy link address. I'll go back here to the browser and type AI Studio Google. This Google AI Studio is Google's artificial intelligence. You're going to log into your account here, click on this plus, select YouTube video, and paste that link here, Ctrl V. Please watch this video carefully, paying close attention to every scene, character, and visual detail. After you finish, return to me with a thorough list of all the detailed image prompts you noticed, including descriptions of the settings, actions, and any important objects. This will help me accurately recreate each scene as it appeared in the video. The prompts should be in a code block that can be copied with one click, all in English, one below the other, with a line break, no separator characters, just empty lines separating the prompts. Let's see if it understands and gives me the prompts. What is it going to do? It will watch this video, understand what happens in the video, and return the image prompts to me. With this, we pretty much have the video ready. It's really quick to make this kind of content nowadays because of these automation conveniences and super mutant artificial intelligences that are being released on the market. Just wait here and it will give you the prompts Look, here we already have the prompts with the one-click copy block, just like I asked. Now I come here to Meta, AI, refresh the page with F5, click on the extension and check if it's ready. All right, it's ready. I'm going to check here, look, create videos up to 20 at a time. I'm going to paste those prompts here. I'm not even going to read what the prompts are. I'm going to leave it here in the 9:16 format, go back to the extension and click on create. It will start pasting the prompts, generating the images, downloading them to the folder I set up at the beginning of the video, creating the animations, downloading them, and that way I'll have content similar to that content with 71 million views. Look how cool this is. Check it out. Cristiano Ronaldo with a water tank full of oranges, lemons. I don't even know what this is here. The same scenes that are happening over there are being recreated here without plagiarism, without me downloading someone else's images. Truly recreating the images in an original and fast way. I'm not even doing anything. The whole process here is automatic. Now it's going to do the second one. Look, it's going to put in the second scene and so on. And this way we'll have all the prompts completed here successfully. Many times artificial intelligence does things that, well, don't really look like it, right? This doesn't really look like Cristiano Ronaldo, but you can tell it's supposed to be him. So we don't even need to have Cristiano Ronaldo's exact face. Look at that. Messi with the little boy from the airplane. These scenes here, they were added based on the video. I'm going to click on the video here so you can see. Look, I'll turn off this funk music here. Look, see how the video is? It's exactly what's happening in our prompt generator. It reproduced the scenes faithfully, so we could put them here. See? So what did he do here? He used funk music, used I don't know what else, some music, some sound effects to illustrate what's happening, since there's not even a narrated script here. Then, to make a funk song, you can copy here, write in Google AI Studio, and based on the lyrics of the current video song, write another similar song lyric. We're also going to create the music so we don't have to use music with copyright or copy someone else's song, right? And look, now we're funk artists too. We have a funk song that's similar to that one, which is a viral hit all over Brazil. We already have the lyrics. Now we just need to create the music. You can use sites like Refuse or Beethoven AI. Beethoven AI has a lot of imitators that show up here at the top. Be careful not to go into the wrong version. Refuse doesn't allow you to use the songs commercially, but Beethoven allows up to 5 songs, okay? You can use Beethoven AI to make your song here. Look, let's copy it here. We already have the song lyrics here, see? I'm going to copy the whole thing here with all the details. Then I'll go ahead and fill it in here. Here we have a song. I'm going to click on download. You can choose whichever song you want, right? Beethoven allows you to use the song commercially as long as it's just one song, okay? You can also do this on Refuse, as I mentioned. Now that we already have the song and the videos, we can go to CapCut.com, right? Or use CapCut Online or CapCut Desktop and do the editing here. See, for editing, we're going to use the folder we set up at the beginning here with Meta AI, right? Where we use the specific folder for downloads. And here in the Cristiano Ronaldo folder, we already have several videos being added here, see? Look how cool that is. Let's sort by modification date. It will put them in the order we want. That's the order, so I'll set it here and I'll also get the song. I'll drag it into CapCut right here onto the timeline, just right. Here's the song, see? You can also organize the photos the same way they're arranged there, right? First, it's Cristiano Ronaldo with this boy here. Drag it over. Then comes Messi here with the other one, flying on the banana plane, trying to build something with positions, and the music turned out really cool. It's different. Over there, it's a Brazilian funk. Here, it became an international song. That's no problem. You can also shorten the duration of the animation frames since it'll get too long if you leave it like this. You can create a compound clip and increase its speed here. See? If you increase the speed, you'll have a much shorter video. Those are really just short viral videos, okay? So it doesn't need to be anything too long. No, it's really just a few seconds of video. That's what got 71 million views, as you saw. And Meta AI keeps downloading for us, making the animations, downloading, putting in the next prompt. So it's going to do all of this automatically. Afterwards, all you need to do is assemble it down here, set the speed the way I showed you, and render your video with the music. This is the viral style that you learned to completely remodel in this video, alright? Afterwards, you can also go to the base channel that we looked at, check out the videos that went viral there to get ideas and make similar videos. Once you have 5, 6, 7, 10 videos, you can stop making videos identical to those from a channel that has already gone viral. Your channel will probably have already gone viral, and you'll have the fully viral format in your hands to create new videos. Avoid copying videos, dead copying ideas from videos that don't have many views yet. For example, look, you can see that the recent videos, look, have 8 million views, 780,000. There must be videos here that don't have that many views, like the Sonic ones here, look. There are also, all of these here have 2,104,000. So avoid copying ideas that don't have many views and instead copy the ideas that are already working so you can succeed faster, okay? Within the Likeepoints platform, there are many more automations for you to create videos like this and be able to monetize online, alright? I'll wrap things up here. I'll leave some other videos here on the screen so you can learn more with me. Thanks everyone. See you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so you can learn more about faceless channels on YouTube.